Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about Apple stock. Now, as you can see from this chart, they have been moving very strongly over the last few days, but right now I'm considering a trade near all-time highs here, and I want to explain to you guys why I still think it's a great opportunity to buy in on this company, and why I think the next year, 2021, will be one for great growth coming from Apple and coming from other names in the tech industry, but specifically Apple here, guys, as we have gotten a lot of news over the last few days, and I've changed from a very bearish sentiment on this company to a more bullish sentiment as we have gotten more news and as the stock price continues to move. So guys, like I said, I was very bearish on this company, or at least pessimistic on what they were doing as far as price action. They were moving extremely strongly all the way since February till August here, and as you can see, we paused at highs around 138, and since then Apple had really dropped from its highs and hadn't been able to come up again. But as you guys can now see, we're breaking out of a wedge. So when I was saying in the past, don't trade Apple, the reason why I was trying to avoid Apple was because of this consolidation here. There were days where you could have been up and then down and then up and then down, and there wasn't clear price action on Apple. As you can see, they were heading above and below the 200 EMA very often. So this is no clear sign of direction, and as such, I was trying to avoid a trade on Apple, and I recommended you guys to stay clear of this stock until 2021, which is actually 2 days from now. So guys, this is why I was telling you to wait until now, because I think this is going to be the greatest opportunity to trade Apple, and I want to show you the trade that I'm eyeing to make on Monday here, or actually Wednesday of this week. Sorry guys, but yeah, I'm watching to make a trade this week on Apple if they can break above this all-time high level, because that will ultimately be a confirmation of what is to come in the future. Now, like I said in my other video, I wasn't wanting to trade Apple because there wasn't news for investors. There wasn't anything new that the company was offering that we could really trade off of or get excited or hyped about. But as you guys may know, over the last few days, Apple released news that they were going to release a car to compete with Tesla's car, and specifically they actually said that the battery was going to blow Tesla's out of the water. So those things are making me very bullish on the company, but unfortunately that car is set to come 2 to 3 years down the line. So what does this mean for Apple's price now? Well, honestly guys, it means that we could continue increasing periodically towards that event. But guys, I would not expect the stock to rocket 100% before the event is even started, or before we even get confirmation if these cars work. So what I realistically think is going to happen to Apple stock is that we are going to break all-time highs as a result of this news and just the market trading higher and higher. I think it will take some time though. I don't think we are instantly going to blast through this 138. Instead, I think we are going to climb up to it slowly, consolidate for a few days, and then crack through all the way till around 145, where we will see again another stopping on Apple stock. So I'm hoping to see consolidation around 145. That will be when the second wave of investors jump in. Everybody who missed the original breakout and who missed this original run out is going to want to get in after Apple breaks out. So that's why I think there will be a consolidation at 145, but we will continue running, and I am extremely bullish on this stock coming into 2021. Like I said, I'm waiting for this all-time high price to break, and one of the main reasons why I'm bullish is just the way we have been testing on the 200 EMA. You can see that this stock has no desire to break to the downside. So the fact that we are staying up above the 200 EMA so strongly, even though we have gotten bad pieces of news in the market overall, and specifically for Apple, the company has not been able to break back into a non-growing direction or into a declining direction. So what this shows us is that the company is extremely bullish right now. The volume is still very strong. The RSI is almost too overbought, but it's not overbought just yet. And that's honestly not a sign that the company is going to pull back, because the RSI can be misleading if you use it on its own. So there's a lot of reasons to still invest into this company. I'm going to be watching a trade come tomorrow. I honestly regret having missed out on a longer term play, even though I was playing some shorter term plays, and they were able to gain around 50%. If you were in the Discord, congratulations if you caught those. But unfortunately, guys, we never loaded up on some longer term plays, as I was obviously pessimistic on Apple until they released this news about a car, which is coming 2 to 3 years down the line. So like I said, guys, this has changed my viewpoint on Apple. I'm now looking very bullish in the future on Apple, looking for a price target of around $200 a share from now to the end of 2021. But I think that maybe we could even smash that out and do more if more good news comes out about Apple. I am officially an iPhone 12 owner. So guys, I'm helping the company out. I'm helping these shares out. So if you guys are also iPhone users, put that down in the comments below, because I just think it's pretty interesting to invest into Apple if you are also a consumer. So that's that, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, if you are going to invest into Apple here near all-time highs, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to check out the free Discord, and that's going to be linked in the description down below, which you can check out for free daily plays and signals, as well as the TradingView, which is what you've been seeing me trade on here in the video, and that's going to be great for technical analysis and seeing the daily price motions of a stock. So if you guys are interested in getting that service for free as well, don't forget to link in the description, check that out. And as always, guys, I hope all your plays are in the green.